I remember when I wanted to start vlogging, I would pick up my camera and I'll pick up my stand, and I would feel so shy of myself because people are looking at me, people are talking, some people are laughing. But you know what? I want you not to care, because vlogging is one of the ways for you to bring out your introverted self and for you to make money on YouTube. Yes. So nobody cares. I want you to just vlog. I want you to shut out your eyes and your ears to people around you, because you know what? They don't matter. So for you to be able to vlog consistently, for you to be able to vlog well, I want you to shut your eyes and your ears off. Because I was a victim. Before, I was so shy. I would literally start vlogging, and at a point I would stop because people were looking at me, or I had this thought about what will they say. But believe you me, it doesn't matter. Like, they don't matter. Honestly, they don't matter. So the first thing I want you to do is for you to plan out yourself. If you want to start vlogging, the first step is to plan out yourself. What are you going to do? Are you going to do a day in your life? Are you going to do yourself cooking? If you don't plan your vlogs, believe you me, you're going to be very disoriented when you start. Because when I started it, I'm like, oh, so this is how it is. So you need to plan your vlogs. And for you to plan your vlogs, you already have to have ideas about things you are going to do. I don't know if you understand where I'm going to. So if you're going to do a day in your life, I want you to plan your day. Listen, I know a lot of people are like, okay, it happened spontaneously, but once you believe that and you try to vlog spontaneously, believe you me, you're going to be disoriented. So you need to vlog, but you need to plan. So when you plan, you get a perfect vlog. The second thing I want you to do is to get your tools right. Your phone, your back camera, and a stand, because holding your phone can make your videos look shabby or make it look not good. So I want you to get a stand for your camera, for your phone or your camera. I use my phone currently, but if you have a camera, fine, that's a +1. Then the next thing I want you to do is, when you start vlogging, I want you to be extra. Yes, when you are extra, you give your best. I want you to be extra. Like, we are done watching people who stand up from their bed, who go to brush their teeth, who go to have their bath. No, I want you to add some spice to it. We want to see something new. I want to see something new. If I see the regular day in my life, I get bored and I move. But once you add spice, once you do something different, believe you me, you're going to get a lot of views and subscribers. What the next one I'm going to talk about, which is the fourth thing, is be a storyteller. Yes, I don't want to be watching people's vlog and I'm hearing, I woke up, then I brush my teeth, then I go have my bath. No, I want you to tell a story. Telling a story will make your video or will make your vlog captivating. When you tell a story, it's captivates people. It captivates me, and I know it's going to captivate other people. So be a very good storyteller. And the last but not the least, don't care what people say, because maybe your plan is to go to the supermarket to buy food stuff to cook, and you feel, oh, when you go there, people are going to look at you, people are going to laugh, giggle, stare. Don't care. Don't look at them. Don't listen to them. They don't exist. You're in a world of your own, your world of vlogging. So I want you not to care about them and continue vlogging. And the thing about vlogging is, when you have that fear in you, or when you have that notion of what people will say, your vlog will never come out well. So this is your time to start vlogging consistently, and this is the best way for you to vlog. So I hope I see more vlogs from my subscribers and more vlogs from small YouTubers. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave your comments, and see you in my next video.